Hi, welcome again. So this will be our the last array function example, which is reverse. So far we have been covered normal, compact, unique take while, and now reverse. As the name says, what it really does, it reverse the array orders. I mean, when I apply this function to an array, it will reverse the order. So the Leon will be the top, then Parker will be the second position, and so far all the rest of these. So it may be the most uses function so far I have been used. There is many other in there, but in array manipulation I use this a lot. Okay, now just apply this to our array. So let's check. Okay, the value is 4, so it means
reverse array. This is the function name. Let's first import the function.
I am correct, but let's see the documentation first. Once again, okay, I only need to pass the array, so this will work super. Safety it. Then if I press the reverse, okay, it worked as I expected. So in the first is Leon, then Parker, then Ronnie, and the rest of them. In the normal mode, we see the John, Jen, and the empty values, then the rest of this, and if I reverse. Okay, so it's been, I guess it's been very good learning for you and also myself. And I hope I give you the very good inspiration to learn these Lodash functions. It's very handy, useful, and it will help you to reduce the your backend pressures. It lots of things you can do in your front end. Okay, this is the benefit of using this JavaScript utility library. So in the next season, I will cover the collections and functions and the rest of them. So till then, have a great time ahead. And if you like my tutorials and the things I post here, I mean the YouTube, I am expecting you to subscribe the channel. So this will give me more attention, or I mean it will inspire me a lot to make more useful videos. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.